Say, come on, Mouse. Come on, tell Mouse, come on.
Come on, Mouse. Mouse, Mouse, are you moving?
Well, the guy showed up today to do the insulation in my tack room. Get a little bit of video of them working. Y'all want to say anything for YouTube? You might be YouTube famous. Quiet. They're working quick. They've been here like 5 minutes. They already got like 2 walls done. Does the insulation bother y'all?
No, sir.
No, it don't bother you?
No, sir.
Boy, it bothers me. You ever insulated a barn before?
No, sir. This is my first one.
Your first barn? So the guys finished insulating a few minutes ago. I figured I'd give you a little bit of a walkthrough. It's kind of dark. I got my light on my camera, but it's not really enough. But I'll show you what I can show you. So when you walk in, this is our feed tack room. It's all insulated. Insulated ceilings, walls. Still got some feed in here. We're gonna put a mini split air conditioner in here so that we can climate control it. So looking forward to that. Insulation fell out of the wall. I gotta put it back up. So this one's looking good. Got all our tack piled up in the wash rack right now. And these are our 2 tack closets. In the bathroom, it's all insulated. It'll be cooled with the same mini split. And then moving over here to our kitchen, it's all insulated. Still got junk in here. Pulled it away from the walls. So it's all insulated. So we're gonna end up with a refrigerator in the corner, stack washer and dryer, which you've already got it right there behind them doors. And then we'll have a sink and water heater will be in the corner. So kind of hard to tell, but that's what we're working towards. I'm really excited about getting the insulation in. We have called for our inspection to close up the walls. Hopefully the inspector will be out soon, and maybe if everything works out this weekend, we'll get the walls up. I think we're looking at putting a kind of a plain white paneling on the ceiling and a washed white paneling on the walls. So we'll see. It's going to be something easy to put up and inexpensive, but I think it's going to end up looking pretty nice. So we've had, I've dumped 7 inches of rain out of my rain gauge in the last 2 days. So we'll walk out there. So everything's wet. It's my storage container that we're putting everything in while we're working. wanted to show you my roll hay feeder that I use. A buddy of mine makes these locally. If you message my email at the bottom of the video in the comments, I'll put you in touch with them. I really like it. It's got a wood base, so it keeps the hay up off the ground, and then what falls through the rails falls onto that wood. So there's virtually no waste. The bars are narrow enough here that neither a horse or a cow can get their head through. They can, a horse can eat up here. The waste is going to fall down here and get eaten, and there's virtually no waste. So I really like these roll hay feeders. If you want more information on them, message me at my email, and I'll get you in touch with the guy local that makes them for me. So my arena is a sloppy mess right now. Got a couple horses turned out in it for the evening. They're over there eating hay, but we'll hopefully we'll dry out soon. Look, there's another ½ an inch in my rain gauge, so that brings us we were just under 7, so probably now we're just over 7 now. That was from that tropical storm that came and sat over the top of us. So it's a mess, but it won't take but about a day and we'll dry out. While we're walking around, I'll show you our stall fronts. We got the stall fronts up on one side. Turn this fan off and you can hear me a little better with that fan off. So got all the stall fronts up down the left side. Really happy with how they turned out. We still got some mess to clean up, and we got to clean stalls for the day. Really like how that came out. Now we just have to do the 6 on the other side. I really like the way everything's coming together. Seems like it's going slow. Just the other day I watched a video from this spring and saw where we were at and saw how far we've come since the springtime, and we've come pretty far. It's just a lot to do and a lot more that I'd like to do. I guess the good thing is we've had some rainy days, and when it's rainy I'll work inside the barn on something, and then when it ain't raining we get out and ride horses. So I want to thank you for watching, and I'll keep you posted on the progress. Until next time.